Hi, Assalamualaikum. Today, we Group 4 will present about Southeast Asia. And the presenter is Nurul Atira binti Abdurrani and Nur Shafira Azrina binti Aira. Let's start. Southeast Asia consists of 11 countries that reach from eastern India to China, encompassing a diverse group of countries including Thailand, Vietnam, Cambodia, Laos, Myanmar, Malaysia, Singapore, Indonesia, Philippines, Brunei and Timor-Leste, characterized by a mix of mainland and island territories with varied culture, religions and languages, often divided into mainland Southeast Asia and maritime Southeast Asia based on geography. Known for its rich history, vibrant cuisine and rapid economic growth.
Southeast Asia climate is diverse, dominated by two main types, equatorial climates and arid and oceanic climate. For the first one, equatorial climate, countries like Indonesia, Malaysia and Singapore experience the equatorial climate with high temperature, humidity, frequent convective rain showers caused by heated air rising and condensing. Arid and oceanic climates, some areas experience sea and land breeze, characteristic of arid and oceanic climates with moderate temperatures. For the point 3 is weather phenomena. Key phenomena include typhoons in the Western Pacific, affecting countries like the Philippines, and El Nino, bringing droughts to Indonesia. For the last point is rainfall mechanism. Rainfall is driven by convective rain showers and influenced by sea and land breeze. Southeast Asian natural environment is shaped by its unique geography, geology, and water system. The region is a mix of mainland areas like Myanmar and Vietnam, and island regions such as Indonesia and the Philippines. Southeast Asia lies at the convergence of the Eurasian plate, Indo-Australian plate, and the Philippine Sea plate, leading to the formation of mountain range and seismic activity. The subduction of the Indian Ocean floor beneath the Indonesian island creates active volcanoes and contributes to fertile soil. The region land masses date back over 66 million years, adding to its rich geological history. The region is home to vital rivers such as the Irrawaddy River in Myanmar, Mekong River, which flows through Laos, Cambodia, and Vietnam, and the Red River in Vietnam. Together, these features highlight Southeast Asia's rich natural landscape shaped by dynamic forces of geology and hydrology. Southeast Asia's distinctive ecosystems are shaped by the Wallace Line, which separates Asian and Australasian species due to tectonic activity 10 to 15 million years ago. The region is rich with mineral deposits such as tin and gold found in alluvial layers and volcanic zones. The Mekong River Basin supports agriculture, fishing, and energy production. Extensive forests provide timber and biodiversity. Fertile volcanic soils are crucial for plantation and rice farming. These ecosystems and resources make Southeast Asia both unique and economically vital. Southeast Asia faces significant environmental challenge driven by both hazard and human activity. The region frequently experiences earthquakes, volcanic eruption, typhoon, floods, droughts, tsunamis, and even megatrust events, all due to its tectonic and climatic position. Pollution, soil erosion, and unsustainable mining practice are major issues, degrading ecosystems and harming communities. Activities like logging, agricultural expansion, and urbanization have led to significant deforestation, threatening biodiversity and contributing to climate change. The Vietnam War left long-term impacts with chemical residues damaging ecosystem and creating barren areas. Lastly, forest fires and land clearing are major causes of smoke affecting air quality in neighboring countries. Addressing these environmental issues is critical for the region's sustainability and development.
Southeast Asia is known for its rich history and culture, shaped by many people and influenced over time. The earliest human arrived here around 40,000 years ago, making it one of the oldest inhabited regions in the world. Indian culture played a major role, bringing Hinduism, Buddhism, art, and architecture. A great example is Angkor Wat in Cambodia and Borobudur Temple in Indonesia. Around 500 before century, Chinese trade routes connected Southeast Asia, spreading ideas and goods that influenced local culture. Arab merchants introduced Islam and the Arabic language through the spice trade, especially in places like Indonesia and Malaysia. From the 16th century, European powers like the Dutch and French colonized much of Southeast Asia, leaving a lasting impact. The Dong San culture in northern Vietnam was known for its advanced bronze production around 500 before century. Early farming community in Indochina date back to 1700 before century, thriving on rice cultivation. Today, Southeast Asia is one of the most culturally diverse regions, with over 1,000 languages spoken. The Association of Southeast Asia Nations, also known as ASEAN, is an international organization established by the governments of Indonesia, Malaysia, Philippines, Singapore, and Thailand in 1967 to accelerate economic growth and promote peace and security in Southeast Asia. Brunei joined in 1984, followed by Vietnam in 1995, Laos and Myanmar in 1997, and Cambodia in 1999. East Timor or Timor-Leste has been granted observer status and is expected to become a full member in 2025. The original ASEAN logo featured 5 brown sheaves of rice, one for each founding member, on a yellow field with a blue border. The logo was changed to reflect the 10 member countries and the colors of their flags when ASEAN celebrated its 30th anniversary in 1997. Despite its motto, One Vision, One Identity, One Community, ASEAN is one of the most culturally diverse regions in the world. ASEAN is home to hundreds of different ethnic groups, each with their own distinct culture and tradition. Southeast Asia is a region of enormous linguistic diversity where thousands of languages are spoken. Indonesia alone has recorded over 300 different native languages. The national language, Bahasa Indonesia, is spoken as a mother tongue by only 7% of the country's total population. Yet, over 200 million people speak it as their second language. As ASEAN is also characterized by a great diversity of religious belief and practice, including Islam, Buddhism, Hinduism, Christianity, and animism.
Southeast Asia is divided into two main subregions, mainland Southeast Asia and maritime Southeast Asia. Mainland Southeast Asia, also called as continental Southeast Asia, includes Myanmar, Thailand, Laos, Cambodia, and Vietnam. The maritime or insular Southeast Asia consists of island nations like Indonesia, Malaysia, Singapore, Brunei, the Philippines, and Timor-Leste. This region features numerous archipelagos, volcanic islands, and diverse marine environment. This region is characterized by vast river systems, fertile valleys, and mountain range. In summary, this subregion reflects the geographic and cultural diversity of Southeast Asia, shaped by its mainland and island division. Southeast Asia's economic activity are shaped by its diverse geography and history, divided between mainland and maritime subregions. In mainland Southeast Asia, agriculture is key, especially paddy cultivation supported by the Green Revolution and plantation. However, progress in communist Indochina was slow until the 1980s. In Myanmar, political instability has hindered economic growth. The region also focuses on industrialization, mining, and tourism. In maritime Southeast Asia, agriculture includes paddy cultivation, plantation, and fishing. Key industries include mining and tourism, with nations like Indonesia and Malaysia leading in resource extraction. Organizations like ASEAN and APEC play a critical role in promoting trade and cooperation among Southeast Asian nations. In summary, the economic activities in Southeast Asia reflect a mix of traditional practice, resource use, and modern industrial. Market-led industrialization in Southeast Asia is influenced by two distinct models: crony capitalism and ersatz capitalism. This system relies on close relationship between business elites and political leaders, often leading to monopolies and corruption. It is prevalent in countries like Indonesia, the Philippines, and Thailand. In contrast, ersatz capitalism refers to economies dominated by state-led or pseudo-private enterprise. Both models present challenges to sustainable growth, but they also highlight the diversity of industrialization approach in the